Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, let's take a look at all white bathrooms. Now, I know a lot of us, especially since it's spring, are opting to bring in more color and life into various rooms of your home. However, there is one room in particular that most people like either white or neutrals, and that room, of course, is your bathroom, your restroom area. So this video is right on time. We're going to take a look at some bathrooms that are either all white or all white with just very soft pops and accents of colors here or there. You may see some metallics, you may see some woods, you may just see a pastel or another soft color. But this is going to be for the people that just really like a soft, relaxing spot to unwind in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you again at the end. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's videos. Let me know what your favorite was down below. A lot of them all just look white, so it's really hard to choose. I am showing you some of my favorites right now. I love all white, but I do like to have pops of color or texture or something else in there so it doesn't just look like a white box. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.